Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second video in the body part series, and today I'm going to be learning to draw the nose. So if you are enjoying these videos, please give it a like and please subscribe. It means the world to me, and there'll be more coming out soon. So the first tutorial I did was from brushes and bunnies. So this tutorial was much more about shading and getting the right lines in and creating the nose just from the shading and from the lines, which was really good, really artistic. And yeah, it was good to try and make a realistic nose, but trying to get more of a structure was difficult from that one. The second two I did were from Marzullo, and this was much more structured. So it allowed me to understand a lot more how to create the nose from more of the baselines. And yeah, one thing you could be able to see here is how difficult I'm making it in trying to draw the nose. It's super hard. So then I took a picture from Google and put it into Procreate and just traced over the nose, trying to learn what are the main lines and trying to learn how to draw different types of noses. And that was actually tricky, just tracing them. And I don't think they came out that good, but it was just more of a practice drill, just like I did with the eyes. And just knowing what are the main lines. And generally the main lines are the ones which are sort of looking away from us at the angle. And then the last tutorial I did on YouTube was from Draw with Jazza. Obviously he's massive on YouTube now, but this was from 10 years ago. And I thought this tutorial was really good because he brought in different styles. So the first one was cartoons, which are real basic sort of shapes, and then he brought in a way to do it more comic based, which was a bit more detailed, a bit more of a structure to it. And then he did his realistic version of it, which was had much more structure to it, and we did different angles there, so front on, side on, and 3/4 on. This gave me much more of an understanding on how to build the nose, and simplified it down a lot, which I needed help with because I think I sort of overcomplicate trying to draw the nose a lot. So it was basically just trying to break it down into 2 or 3 shapes, more of a block shape, and then put in the main lines from there. So then I took a screenshot of the tutorial of one of the faces that Jazza had, and I brought that into Procreate and just practiced with the template that he uses and just drawed on different types of noses, which was really good for practice. Gave me much more of an understanding of it. But if you are enjoying watching me learning how to draw different body parts, please hit the subscribe button, please like, and I've got a new project coming out soon, so keep your eyes open for that.